Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this DeTomaso Pantera GTS 124 scale. The name of this brand, it looks like it says Stealth, but not sure. This comes from the Cannonball Run movie. Let's open up this box and see what is inside. Okay, we open up the box and we can find the decals here, like fender and sides. It's an old decal, but I think it still works. Right, oh, that's neat. This is, I guess, the map where in the movie the race takes place. All right, another set of decals. Of set of instructions. This is a motorized model. You can see the instructions for the motor here. All the instructions seems to be well laid down. Basic regular instructions you can find pretty much in every decent model kit. Let's move on to the contents of the box. Alright, so remember, this is a used model kit, it's not brand new, so some things may not be exactly as it came out of the factory, like some loose parts. The main body. As you can see, it has some color variation on the plastic, but the surface is smooth, so it won't affect at all the painting of this kit. I think the detail is good. You can see a little bit of marks in the plastic in this corner. Like a sink mark, so probably it will need to be addressed, smooth out. It is a little bit of, I don't know, it looked like a flash, but it may be just part of the kit. But some of the small detail is really good. I mean, always you can cut out this part and replace with real mesh. That will enhance your model, a lot. Yes, surface is smooth, even though you can see some color variations on the plastic. This is the underneath. The detail is okay. Most of the transmission and suspension detail is denied. Model kit. Logos. Real. Overall, I think it's a pretty good kit. A little bit of flash here. Needs to be sanded. Okay, the box. The box, it comes with a cog or gear, grease, and I think this is, I don't know what it is. I think it's to put underneath the lid of the batteries. The motor, you can see the motor there, and the 4 set of wheels. And let's check inside the bags. Some loose parts. These are the clear parts and wires for the motor and batteries. Okay, the flares for the wheels. They come transparent plastic, and you can see the lights, headlights and backlights there. Okay, I think I'm missing one of the windows. It should be here and it's missing. This is the interior parts. So seats, yeah, these parts, they have really nice detail, really sharp, no signs of flash or sink marks, really nice detail. So I think this is pretty much this model kit. It doesn't come with too many other parts. These are the doors, engine and the wheels. So if you're thinking to buy one of these cars, you can still find them on eBay, and you know what to expect. Here we have the body of the car. The detail is sharp. I wish the grills were like a separate piece. And I can notice some color variation on the plastic, but nothing that will affect the paint or the final look. This was the unboxing the DeTomaso Pantera 1/24 scale. Thank you guys.